How to send videos from camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can send your video on Snapchat as a snaps. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, head over to your Play Store and make sure that you have updated your app. Search for Snapchat, and if you see update sign here like mine, tap on update. Now once you do so, open up your Snapchat. Now, in order to do so, tap on Explore icon on your bottom. Then at the top search bar, just type in video upload. You will see a lot of features like this. Just tap on anyone that you would like. Then it will display all the videos from your camera roll. Just tap on any one that you would like to send as a snap. And just like so, this is how you will be able to do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.